What's up, guys? All the 1600 here. It's raining out here in Los Angeles, so we're gonna do a little bit of drifting right now in the G. So right now we're in the G right now. We're about to go a little bit of drifting in the rain. I've never done that before, so hopefully we'll get loose and not burn up some tires. I'm probably gonna suck, so yeah, I'm probably gonna suck because in the rain and we're gonna lose traction like heavily. I heard it's not the same. I heard you just fucking start sliding like a motherfucker. So yeah, let's go fucking do it. By the way, I'm using the camera on my phone because I kind of wanted to test out the quality. Yeah, I got a new phone and I just wanted to test it out. The seats just crapped out on me, look. So yeah, they don't actually move anywhere. They just stayed in position, and the only thing that moves is my back, and my passenger doesn't work at all. So time for some new seats. Okay, so we made it to the spot, and yeah, we're here. It's raining, and we're gonna do some donuts. Coming over here? I don't want to do. Why do people be so extra? Like it's an empty spot. You come all the way to this side of the parking lot to park. There's spots over there, closer. Fool had to come all the way over here for what reason? Whatever.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Whoa! You fucking slip out like a motherfucker in this car, huh? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, car died.
Close my eyes the whole time.
Car stalled out, I guess. Hey, baby.
Smoking.
Not tired?
Yeah. Still smoking.
Yeah. Damn, it's hot. Yeah, that's how you drift in the rain. Yeah, this is just a quick video. I just wanted to post something. I haven't posted in like 2 weeks, so yeah. Security went that way. We just missed them. Don't see nothing. Car's good. Don't miss it. Let me see the camera. Oh yeah, you see that? Smoking. Alright, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to all the 1600 channels to see more shenanigans like this.
Gary, ya sé que estuve mal, te descuidé y ahora no estás. Gary, lo lamento, te olvidé y no pensé que